play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. I was told I need to try more natural hairstyles, so I got a wig from TEMU and I spent $16 on this unit. So I'm going to show you the unit, but I'm also going to tell you about this unit. So she is a KINKY YAKY synthetic wig. She comes in several other colors. I got the black with the highlights in it. She is 20 inches and she's 150 density. And also at the end of the hair, it has loose curls. Like it's giving blowout kind of look, you know, a YAKY blowout. It is cute. Like this is beautiful. Like I always tell you, don't forget to take the gut out. All right, so let me show you what else this wig has to offer. She has 2 combs at the top. She also has 1 comb in the back, and she also has the adjustable straps. And this wig is also a middle part. She has beautiful baby hairs. They look natural. Like it's just, it looks effortless. Like look at this. It's so cute. Enough about the wig. Let's go ahead and get started. And y'all already know I reuse my stocking cap. If you didn't know, baby, you know now. Listen up. I don't want y'all to make the same mistake I did. I brushed this out. I shouldn't have. I should have just like really not touched it at all. But in order to pull the extra hair out that I plucked, I mean, how else am I supposed to get it out besides brush it? But on the other side, I finger combed the hair. But at the end of the day, I ended up getting the same result. You can't tell from the brush and me pulling the hair, but you know what? Just whatever. Just keep watching. baby, when I bring that water out, it's over with. I feel like I'm done. There's nothing else I could do to this hair. Like, literally, she's cute. But y'all already know I'm extra. And I gotta make this transition beautiful.
I'm a hot girl, I don't do titles. If I do, it'll be Michael. Keep shit spicy, tipping tiny. Yellow bone chick look like Hey Johnny. Freaking the sheets, freak on the beats. Niggas been hooked since big old freak. I realized that I was a shit when R&B niggas wanna start rap beats. These niggas ain't got no name on them.
All right, and let me give you the rundown on this unit and what I think about it. I absolutely love it. She is very, very full, thick, like really, really thick. But I would give this unit a 9. She looks so natural. The hairline, the lace, and everything was A1. So if you want to purchase this unit, the link is in the description box. And that is all I have for you guys. Like I always say, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see y'all in another video. Bye.
Niggas ain't got no name on them. Wish these hoes stop trying to put claim on them. He come around me, get game on him. If he don't go, then I already